Hi everyone. Today I am going to explain Lagrangian mechanical notation for simple pendulum. Okay, what is called Lagrangian equation? So to derive the about the total energy is equal to kinetic energy plus potential energy. Okay, in case of Lagrangian, you have to take like kinetic energy minus potential energy is equal to Lagrangian. So, to explain this, to get the equation of motion, how you will get this equation? So here you have to take this equation d by dt of dl by dx dot, that means second order differentiation, d square l by dx square. Okay, so dl by dx is equal to theta, where xi dot is called as first order differentiation. Okay, so now I'm going to explain about simple pendulum. Okay, so in case of simple pendulum, first of all you learn one thing. Here the length of the pendulum is L. Length of the pendulum is considering as a L. Okay, see here it is moving a extreme position. This is the extreme position, so this variation of height I need that. Okay, so what about in case of kinetic energy? So this is theta, this is the angle theta, therefore the value is, this one is a L cos theta. Okay, next one, what is the difference of height? Difference of height, this is total is L and this is L cos theta. That means what about this one, the H is L minus L cos theta. Okay, so now kinetic energy equation. What about kinetic energy equation? In case of using equation of ordinary equation, generally we'll write half mv square, but it is in a rotatory motion. That's why I'm use I omega square. So here what about I and omega square? So omega square is, you know very well about omega is equal to v by r. So here what is the I value? I is ml square. So mr square or ml square. Using that equation, I is equal to mr square and this one omega is equal to v by r. Substitute in this equation, what you will get? Kinetic energy of this pendulum is equal to half mv square. Okay, again you can write this equation. Here I am considering as a theta. So theta means here velocity in case of theta. So theta dot, what is called theta dot? So either displacement considering as x, here I am considering as theta. Theta is a displacement. Okay, so theta dot means velocity. So theta dot means velocity. So velocity is equal to k is equal to half m theta dot square. Okay, so next one, potential energy. What about the potential energy? Potential energy is equal to mgh. So mgh is equal to mgl into 1 minus cos theta. So you know very well about this equation because I already explained about this. This is L minus cos theta, L into L minus cos theta, mgh, potential energy is equal to mgh. Therefore, mgl into 1 minus cos theta. This is about the equation for potential energy and kinetic energy. Okay, now substitute this equation in the Lagrangian formation. Okay, so here kinetic energy minus potential energy. What is the kinetic energy? Here mi or theta dot square. Okay, already here theta dot square already we got that. So in that one, I theta dot square minus mgl. What is the potential energy? Mgl into 1 minus cos theta. Okay, so here dl by d theta is equal to, so using this equation, so finally what is that? So first order differentiation to this. First order differentiation. What is called first order differentiation? This is the constant value. That means you will not get anything. That means it is 0. So first order differentiation for this equation, it is equal to 0. That is equal to mgl sine theta. Okay, now here I am considering sine theta is equals to here theta. Sine theta is equal to theta. So again I am differentiate this equation. What I will get? That means d square L by d theta square. So that's why I am writing as theta dot square. So in this equation, I theta dot is equals to ml square theta. Okay. So next one, using this equation, so I theta dot is equal to ml square theta dot. So how it is? Because here I am taking a sine theta is equals to, here I am taking a sine theta value is taken as theta. That's why it is ml square theta dot. So this is like a theta dot equation. So in the previous equation, it is also like a L square theta is equal to theta dot. That means the total equation is in the form of I theta dot. Okay. So here also we have a, okay. So here also we have a same set of equation. So I'll substitute it in this equation, or this equation in this one. Ml square theta double dot minus mgl sin theta is equal to 0. So L square, so both sides I'm taking m, so it will goes in the direction, means both side m cancel. So here also I am taking L common, so theta double dot plus gl by theta is equal to 0. Therefore theta double dot is plus omega square theta is equal to 0. Okay. So in this equation, so Lagrangian formation means, what is called Lagrangian formation? Lagrangian formation means kinetic energy minus potential energy. So in that one, what is kinetic energy? Half m theta dot square, or okay. Next one, what about kinetic energy? So kinetic energy and potential energy. This is about the potential energy, this is about kinetic energy. So this all for today. Okay. Using this equation, theta double dot square plus omega theta minus 0 is equal to theta dot into a sin omega t. So this is the generating function. This is the generating function for theta. So theta is equal to a sin omega t. So it is like a waveform. So that means a simple pendulum equation is in the form of a simple pendulum. That is theta dot is equal to a sin omega t. That's all for today. So if you any inquiries, so please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, Jk.Nimmakuri. Okay, thanks for all. Okay, bye bye.